Hello everyone, best greeting. As explained before about the search inside dimension, while we click on search, you can search depend of the DOI, you can search in title and abstract, you can tell search in full data. It means exactly there are three options for search inside the dimension. Inside the dimension, you have a three option to search. For example, if I select DOI and I give the DOI of the article, then I press enter. So the dimension try to find for me this article. This have this dimension, this DOI, and find for me article. For example, this is article. The search is depend of the word, depend of the DOI, and they say this DOI is about this is the publication, and this is the title of, and there is the author Qasim Muhammad Khurshid and Dr. Normal and Professor Osner Ojan. These are the authors and co-authors for this article. They published in 2022, and from what? And they have 5 citations. The citations is all the information about this article. Because I search it depend of DOI. But if you search about the title and abstract, for example, if you need to search depend of the abstract, you can put the abstract here. This is abstract of one of article. I need to find for me this article. So the dimension he tried to find for me the article depend of this abstract. You see, to find for me there is another article depend of this abstract. I write it for him abstract. So find for me there is one article for this abstract, and this article the name is Factor of Spatial Data Sharing in Malaysia, and the authors is Qasim Muhammad Khurshid, Dr. Normal and Professor Ojan. So it means exactly we can search depend of the title and abstract, or depend of the DOI, and depend of the full of data. Just now we know about the DOI and the title abstract, but we need the full text. Just now full text, I put the keyword for full text because I need to find for me article have this from the title or from abstract, this keyword. They find for me the article have this keyword maybe from the title or abstract. It means you have a chance to search. It means you have a chance to search. If you have a title or abstract, you can put here, or you can search depend of the keyword, but inside the title and abstract. So they find for me this article have this keyword inside the title or abstract. But if you select it full data, you see, and press enter, the number of publication will be increased more, will be increased. Because we ask, because we ask the dimension database search engine to find for me the publication about this keyword. So the best for us, as a PhD researcher, especially when you need to write a paper or for your thesis, especially for chapter 2, so select title and abstract is best. Select the title and abstract. It means you need to search for this keyword, the keyword you write for this keyword, okay, where inside every article title and abstract. So I select this one and I say click enter. So just now the number of articles find for me 470. Okay. After we go, there's option. This option, you have 2 options. One of them, you can save as a favorite. This means this search engine you can save as a favorite. But the second option, they give you to export the result. Export the result. For example, if you click export the result, this is a result about 400 publications, 70 publications. They go to the where? They go to the export center. If you select like this, if you have option to select like send email when export is ready, the dimension they will send you email when the download be ready. But you can deselect this one option and click on export. Why do you click on export? Why do you click on export? So where we find, it's very important, we go to your account, go to export center. From export center you can find what you downloaded. So for me, I need this 470 article downloaded. As Excel, you can download as Excel, you can download as CSV file. Okay? If you click on download, because you need bibliographic, they download for me what? They download for me the file and the name of the dimension and the zip file. When you click on save, they save for you the article. So we click the save. After you click the save, and I need to Excel again, because in the dimension, as I explained it for you, in the dimension you have a chance to export file as Excel at the same time. You see, you have a chance, XX file or CSV file. But exactly for Biblioshiny Bibliometric analysis, we can select Export Reference Manager as a BIP file, BIP text file, or RIS file. So we can do it. And no need email, and I come back to my account, I go to the center, I see there is a try to find for me this in progress. These are three types. So for Excel, same, you can download the Excel and they go to the same location you need to save, so save it. By this way, we can download every article we need. So just now BIP again is ready. BIP file, so bibliometric file. If you go to the food folder, you see these files are ready. The first one is XLS, the second one BIP file. So I hope it's interesting for you. Thank you. Best regard. Goodbye.